and handling day. What did he say? Free shipping and handling? Free shipping and handling on all cook and food items all day today and all day tomorrow. So if you are going to order this and you need service for 8, because in one order you get service for 4. If you need service for 8, go ahead and order the second set because all the shipping is free. You know how much you would be paying if you were paying shipping? A lot. A four-piece place setting at retail would be $110. We're $50 less than that, and with the free shipping, we're $57.50 less. How about that? This is going to include the dinner plate, the salad bowl, the mug, and the bowl, right? All 4 pieces. And we've got all your favorites in Old World and Floral Lace. We have Tara Tesher to give us a guided tour. Mwah. So how about that free shipping and handling?
I love that free shipping and handling, mainly because if you're picking up multiple sets, we are retiring this collection.
No reorder on this.
So I love that.
Look what Uncle David wrote right here.
I do love that.
Look what I wrote right here. See what I wrote right here? No reorder. No reorder.
It is black Sharpie.
In my black Sharpie. All right, so what is in the dinnerware set?
So we call this a soft square, as David mentioned. What I love about it, again, is if you're picking up the floral lace, you have the beading that runs around the edges, but you have this teardrop design on each corner, which I absolutely love. You have that beautiful silhouette here. So again, if you have that Kansas City steak and all of those juices, you never have to worry. 4 of your 10.5-inch dinner plates, 4 of your 8-inch salad or dessert plates, and I love that that's the reverse, that beautiful stoneware color, and then of course the hand painting that runs around the edges. 4 of your 7.5-inch, look how beautiful these are, your soup bowls, your salad bowls. Look how gorgeous your ice cream bowls. I love that as well.
Oh.
Nice, beautiful capacity. Notice how I'm stacking everything. And then David, 4 of your 14-ounce with the beautiful pedestal mugs, which I absolutely love.
Now, I will tell you that we are very, very busy. 200 people have already dialed in and ordered their sets. And I say sets because a lot of people order more than one.
Very smart.
Free shipping and handling. You're gonna keep saving on that shipping and handling. Shipping and handling is $7.50.
Yes.
You're gonna save it with every set you order.
It's amazing.
All right, so
this is our festive. Yep. So that's our red and green.
In time for holiday.
Love.
This is the gorgeous winter. So you're looking at, I only have 330 of these to go around.
That icy blue.
Beautiful
Love.
icy blue. Last night was icy rain is
Yes,
what it was. All right, this is your light blue, $250 to go around. Here's your green floral lace, $230, all I have left. This is red floral lace available. This is cranberry. Now, we have more floral lace over here.
Yes,
all right.
Kind of went across the gauntlet.
Floral lace in the blue, the inky cobalt blue, always popular. This is eggplant. $175, all I have here.
And that's it.
This one is called chocolate.
Chocolate.
$225. Remember, these are being reordered, not reordered, and retired.
Retired.
So anything that sells out, you won't see it back. Do you want to have enough service for, I don't know. I always like to buy an extra set for breakage.
I know you do.
Yes, I do.
Very smart.
So this would be a good time because we're not reordering this set. This is spice, $250. This is black. Available. Now, how many of you would have loved to have had harvest for your Thanksgiving dinner table? You buy it now, you'll have it for next year.
Absolutely.
This
and the year after
is
that.
harvest. This is falfetti. This is festifetti. This is green, Old World, red Old World, and cranberry. Jump over there, Tara, if you will, for me. This is the Old World blue.
That classic.
The most popular in the Old World. 600 left. That's confetti.
Oh, love, 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 love.
Then I've got for you eggplant. Then my color, the brown. There's spice. And finally, I have it for you in black. Over 600 sets are gone now. Please let me also just impress upon you, this set is retiring, will not be reordered. If you're buying service for 4, but know you need service for 8 or 12, today would be a great day to get it because not only is it retiring, but it's also available on free shipping and handling.
Yes.
So this way you're not going to be paying extra for all that shipping and handling charge. Use your Q card right now. Well, you get 5 with any credit card you use. Use your Q card right now, you're going to get 6 pay.
Oh, I love that.
And if you apply for a Q card and get approved to make a purchase, we're going to put a $40 credit on your QVC membership account. Whew. So in the future, if you're buying more Temp-tations, apply $40.
I love that.
How about that?
But here's what else I love, David. I love that this is the same stoneware that you've been collecting. So you can put this through the paces, meaning this can go in the oven up to 500 degrees under the broiler. We just made chicken nachos, delicious. This can go in the microwave when maybe that Keurig coffee or hot chocolate has gotten cold, pop that right in the microwave. They go in the fridge, they go in the freezer, and the best part, they go in the dishwasher. So this becomes that exclamation point on your table. This is what rounds out your dining experience, because so often we're so worried about what we're cooking, what we're putting in it, transferring from dish to dish, that we forget about what we're serving on. And that's this beautiful dinnerware that truly are everything you've come to love from Temp-tations, which is what I love about it.
You know what? I mean, when you got your table dressed this way, and I know you probably had more pictures than I did.
Yeah.
Folks taking pictures of their Thanksgiving dinner table in all their Temp-tations dishes.
I love that.
And it looks so amazing. And think about, you've got all your bakers, and you know what? You already know your color you collect. You know whether it's Floral Lace or whether it's Old World. You know whether it's blue or it's the gorgeous Old World green. And you're thinking, wow, what if I had dinnerware to match all that?
Yes.
Well, you do now if you place this order. 1,800 of these are now gone. They're going very quickly. Please know we're retiring this set, and when it's gone for good.
Yes.
Which is why you want to take advantage of that free shipping, 5 pay, and order as many sets as you think you'll need. One set gives you 4 place settings. At retail right now, 1 4-piece or 4 place settings is what I'm trying to say at retail. $110, we're $50 less, and with free shipping, we're $57.50 less.
And there's no way that you have this hand-painted detail out there in retail. There's no way that you have these gorgeous silhouettes, because these are designed specifically for you.
This is what you're going to have out there.
Right, exactly. That's a traditional and not with all the colors. But here you have all of that hand painting, all of that detail, and the fact that you're getting service for 4. Look at that. In each shipment, if you wanted 8 or 12 or 16, look how beautiful, everything coordinated, but you don't just have to set the table. You can use them everywhere throughout the home.
Quick color tour before we wrap up. This is festive. Here's winter. We'll do this at a good clip, Mike. Here's winter, light blue, green, red, cranberry. Now join me over here for blue, eggplant, chocolate. Oh, you got it.
I did.
Spice and black. Down below in Old World, we've got
Harvest.
Harvest, thank you.
Fall Fetty.
Festive Fetty, green, red, cranberry, the always popular blue Old World, confetti, eggplant, my color brown, spice, and black. Now, before we let you go, Tara, a little trivia question for you.
Great.
We're making my pomegranate holiday slaw.
Okay.
Your question has to do, and I do not trust anybody here.
I don't know how the back of my hair looks.
Let me see. Looks really good.
How about I promise I won't look? Go.
All right, no looking. All right, how many seeds does the average pomegranate contain?
Wow. I know it's a lot.
1 to 75, 100 to 350, 350 to 600, or 600 to 1400?
I'm going 600 to 1400.
You will be correct. Yes. According to encyclopediaoftrivia.com, yes, it's a place, the average pomegranate can contain 600 to 1400 seeds, or how do you pronounce that word, do you think?
Arils?
A-R-I-L-S.
Arils?
Something.
Yes. Tyson gave us the thumbs up, so we're going with it.
I would do that.
I'm going to take this home and I'll look it up.
Frame it.
I'll let you know. Adore you.
Thank you, darling. I love you.
Oh, I'll see you on Wednesday with a brand new item.
Awesome. Hey, it's time to get Simply Clean with David. And you know me, don't love cleaning, but what I love even less is having to do the same job over and over again, because the tool I'm using is not cutting the mustard, as it were. So what we're going to do is talk to you about